Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn an educational video explain the process of cooking. In the process of cooking, heat breaks down the cellulose found in vegetables and softens some connective tissues found in meat. The heat breaks down and gels the starch present, changes and blends flavor within the food and destroys the bacteria. To make food more acceptable to human digestion. So this was our today's educational video. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our today's video. Please do like, share and comment.